So,
Yes.
that puckered my butthole.
What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I got some good news. We were able to get a billet input shaft from Jeff Bush with JBdesigns. He's the one that originally makes them or has them made. Jeff went above and beyond, looked through his stash of spare parts that he had for his drag car that he used to have, and he found one that was in mint condition and sent it my way. The car is loaded up on the trailer, backed into the garage to keep it nice and cool. We are heading out to Firebird again, going to another midnight drags. I'm actually enjoying these midnight drags. It's relaxing, it's nice and cool when the sun goes down. I'm not baking my butt off in the car or sitting in the stage lanes and just roasting away. It is currently 91 degrees outside right now. DA at the track is going to be 5,500 feet again, but I think we got a 7-second tune-up in a car for the A to B tune-up. The track is holding really good, then we may put the kill tune-up in it and see what we could do. But that's all going to depend on how the track conditions are. Without further ado, let's get on with this video.
Close to me.
Moved around quite a bit, but wow, I stayed in it. It held it, but it was skating around quite a bit. Kind of had to do some driving there. But wow, ugh. Ooh, it is hot. That pass definitely felt really good. Like I said, I definitely had to drive it quite a bit. And that's not so much because the track's bad. I'm sure the track is probably about 150 degrees right now, so it's greasy. But let's get back to the pit and check over everything and go from there. Yeah, she's gonna go pretty quick tonight. Alright, so first pass went pretty well. Unfortunately, track is really greasy right now. It's like 150 degree track temps right now, so the track is super greasy. I had to drive it quite a bit in second gear, as you saw in my in-car video, but the car went 801 at 180 mile an hour. Man, what a teaser, huh? So I'm gonna grab the time slip here for you guys. So there we go. 13060. The 60 foot starting to come back. It's coming back around, but like I said, the track is really greasy right now, so not a lot I can do about that until the sun goes down a little bit and the track tightens up a little bit. So let's hope the track tightens up a little bit. I think I'm going to go ahead and keep that same tune up in the car and run it again. And with the sun going down and the track tightening up a little bit, I think I could get the car go into 7s again on the A to B tune-up. So let's make a couple of adjustments, look over data, check over the car, and then let's get back out there and see what we can do. All right, second pass. No changes to the tune. Everything looked good. There's not much to change. It'd be silly of me to try to add any more power because the track is really greasy today and it's super hot today, so there's no point of adding more power to it. So I'm still on the same tune-up as the first run, but it is a lot cooler outside. It's probably about 15 degrees cooler out, so let's hope it goes to 790. Killing me tonight. Holy cow, that was a pretty wild ride. Holy cow, I ain't gonna lie, that one scared me. A semi truck out there that's on the highway that's hitting the air brakes anyways, or exhaust brake. So that last pass was a little sketchy, as you saw in the in-car video. I was driving it pretty hard. I ain't gonna lie, that pass actually scared me pretty good. I had the steering wheel clocked to the left probably 25 degrees the entire quarter. I could feel it spinning all the way through third gear. The track was just absolutely terrible. I don't know what happened with the track, but I thought the track was going to get better and it didn't. But the car still went an 809 at 180 mile an hour, spinning the way it was. There's the time slip right there. So the 60 foot was actually worse on that pass. 60 foot was actually worse than the first pass. The first pass was a 130 and went 801, but it was also a lot hotter and the DA was a lot higher. This last pass, it picked up 3 pounds of boost just from the air getting better. But I'm happy with the car. The car's doing what it should. Had it not spun, definitely been in the 7s. I know I keep saying that, but you know, I keep coming out to these midnight drags expecting the most. I don't know why, but you know, it's just one of those things that
it's nice racing at nighttime. It's a lot cooler, the air's better, and I'm not dying of heat. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's event and today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned. We're gonna have more footage coming your way. See you later.